welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan by Shefali Jindal, a Sanskrit teacher of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Moga.
अयं निजः परो वेति गणना लघुचेतसाम् उदारचरितानां तु वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्। तेरा मेरा करने वाले लोगों की सोच उन्हें बहुत कम देती है, उन्हें छोटा बना देती है, जबकि जो व्यक्ति सभी का हित सोचते हैं, उदार चरित्र के हैं, पूरा संसार ही उसका परिवार होता है। अमृत वचन। शरीर के लिए सबसे अच्छा उपचार है शांत मस्तिष्क, और शांत मस्तिष्क के लिए सबसे अच्छा है किसी बात को हृदय पर न लेना। भारत माता की जय।
Let's take a look at the headlines of past week.
MOU was signed between Sarvitkari Shiksha Smithi and DAV University for the exchange of various subjects related to education. 5-day Shishu Vatika National Education Policy Workshop was started at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Talwara. Summer camp was organized at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Khamano. International Environment Day was celebrated at Shishu Vatika Morinda. Safia of Hajipur Vidya Mandir stood first in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir with 98.67% marks. One-day workshop on new education policy was organized at Shri Suraj Kund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam. The Adopt to Educate scheme is becoming the choice of the education-loving gentleman. Cleanliness Day was celebrated in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Khamano. Purnima, a class 10 student of Sharda Sarvitkari 40D Chandigarh, received trophy and certificate in Dainik Bhaskar Toppers Award ceremony. World Environment Day was celebrated at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Phagwara and Rampura Phul. Tribute to the promising alumnus Shubhdeep Singh Musewala was presented at SVM Mansa.
Now news in detail.
MOU was signed between Sarvitkari Shiksha Smithi and DAV University for the exchange of various subjects related to education, especially in which Shri Vijay Nadda ji, Organizing Secretary of Vidya Bharati North Zone, Shri Vijay Thakur, Dr. Sudesh Thakur, Shri Chandrahas Gupta and other officials of DAV University were involved. Education creates good thoughts within the human beings. The task of the teacher is not only to give education to the student, but he also enables his student to face every difficulty. The above views were expressed by Honorable Shri Vijay Nadda ji, Organizing Secretary of Vidya Bharati North Zone, during the inaugural level of the 5-day Shishu Vatika National Education Policy Workshop at SD Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Talwara. Taking the topic New Education Policy 220, he addressed more than 250 teachers from different schools of Punjab Prant and said that while the new education policy has brought ways to improve the talents of the student, in this special arrangement have been made for the training of the teachers so the teacher becomes a role model for students and good social values can also be seen in the students. Keeping his point, he said the process of learning can be carried forward only from such training camps. For this, every teacher will have to imbibe new learning opportunities. On this occasion, Dr. Sudesh Kumar, senior scientist among the special guests, expressed his views that the teacher should be the role model for the students. On June 6, 2022, a summer camp was organized at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Khamano. On the 4th day of the camp, yoga and exercise was organized in the morning and their benefits were explained. In defense class, students were taught new techniques of defense. Painting was done by students in art class. In the cooking class, the students were taught to make bread jam rolls. Along with this, classes of English spoken, handwriting, hairstyling and dance were also organized. All the activities were done by the students with great interest. The students learned a lot in the 4-day summer camp. On June 5th, June 22, the Sarvitkari Shishu Vatika Morinda School celebrated International Environment Day. The children gave the message of keeping the earth green through posters. The children planted new saplings and took care of the trees and plants, providing greenery to the environment. The entire school family requests the society that the welfare of the whole world, all of us should take care of our environment.
Students of Sarvitkari performed excellent in Punjab class 8th board examination. Safia of Hajipur Vidya Mandir stood first in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir with 98.67% marks. Along with this, 151 students brought laurels to their Vidya Mandirs and committees by scoring above 90 percentile. A one-day workshop on new education policy was organized on June 1st at Shri Surajkund Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sunam, in which 82 teachers participated. Sunam SHO Shri Sukhdev Singh Ji was the chief guest. On this occasion, the principal of Sangrur, Ms. Sushma Walia, also shared her views regarding the new education policy. Shri Amit Dogra Ji also shared his views and motivated the teachers to work as per NEP. Sarvitkari Shiksha Smithi's Adopt to Educate scheme is becoming the first choice of education-loving gentleman. Under this scheme, Swami Narayana Nand Saraswati Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Jalalabad, the dolly of class KG, was adopted by Gurdwara Singh Sabha, under which 50% of the annual fee of the current session, an amount of 3,900, was deposited. In charge, Shri Mati Rupali Ji presented special thanks to them for this cooperation. The students of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Khamano were told about the personal hygiene by Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur, that how they can keep their body healthy, like we should clean our hands properly before eating food. What is the right way to wash hands? They should cut their nails regularly. The hair should be combed thoroughly. To clear the teeth, brushing should be done twice daily. Purnima, a class 10 student of Sharda Sarvitkari Model Senior Secondary School, 40D Chandigarh, received trophy and certificate at Dainik Bhaskar Toppers Award ceremony on June 5, 2022. The chief guest on the occasion was Dr. Anup Kumar Grover Ji, former Vice Chancellor of Punjab University. RJ Radhika was also present on this occasion, and Vidya Mandir Director Shri B.S. Kanwar Ji and Principal Mrs. Archana Nagrat congratulated her. World Environment Day was celebrated by planting saplings in the school campus at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Phagwara. During this, students expressed their views for the protection of the environment by planting saplings, making posters about keeping the environment clean. Similarly, World Environment Day was celebrated at Lala Kasturi Lal Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Rampura Phool, and special activities were organized for the environmental protection, in which students of class 1 to 12 and their parents participated. According to instructions of Principal S.K. Malik, the students, in the collaboration with science teacher Sukhpal Singh and other teachers, took steps according to their own thinking for the coming generation, and also inspired people that how we can protect our environment. The main themes of these activities are more and more tree plantation, use of water as per requirement, use of electricity as per requirement, keeping water on the roof for birds, etc. On this occasion, Principal Malik Ji congratulated everyone on World Environment Day and appreciated the steps taken to protect the environment. Chetan Singh Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Mansa's promising alumnus Shubdeep Singh Musewala's sudden departure from this world is no less than a shock. Shubdeep Singh has been a student of Vidya Mandir from class 1st to 10th, reaching the highest peak of fame at such a young age and making a mark on the world stage is matter of great honor and achievement for Vidya Mandir. But today he is no more with us. May God rest his soul. The entire Vidya Mandir family will always stand with his family. Salute to the great personality. Now let's see the video of use of Juthan. Presenting video on the Basant Panchami by Bassi Pathana Vidya Mandir. Beautiful video of Majhi Vidya Mandir is presented under our Vidya Mandir series. That's all for this week. We'll see you next week with new headlines. Thank you.